In today's video, we will learn how to generate videos from images using Grok AI. Hello guys, you can create videos by providing an image along with a prompt, or you can generate videos using just a prompt. We will also learn how to generate images using Nano Banana AI. Now, there is no need for paid AI tools anymore. From now on, we will learn how to use all these AI tools completely for free. So let's move to our video. First, open your Chrome browser. Then in the Google search bar, type Gemini Gen AI. Click on the first website that appears. After that, you will see an interface like this. You need to log in here. For this, you can use your Gmail account. Click on it and sign in with Google. After signing in, you will see an interface like this. This is the main page. Here you can see that we have 10 credits available. With these credits, we can generate AI videos for free, and these credits will not be deducted unnecessarily. Now click on the 3 lines menu, and then click on Studio. Here, the first option is Chat with AI. All of these tools are completely free. Let's check Chat with AI. Click on it. Here you will find different AI models available. All of them are completely free. For example, Veo 3.1 Fast, free, Veo 3.1 Lite, Veo 3.1, Veo 2, Grok 2, Grok 3. All of these tools are free, and you can select any one of them. Now let's go back to the Studio option. Here, click on Video Generate. You will also see the Veo 3 AI options here, which are free as well. But we will select Grok AI here. There is also a Meta AI option, but that one is paid, so we are using Grok instead. Here you will find the Select Image option. If you want to generate a video from an image, you can click here and upload your image. Keep the Generate mode on Custom and leave all other settings as default. Now click on Prompt, and here, write your prompt. For example, we will write a simple prompt. A small baby dinosaur is flying over a village. Now we click on Generate. After that, you need to tick Verify you are human. Then the video generation will start. You can see how quickly our video is being generated. And play the video. You can see how beautiful the video is, generated in full HD quality. Now to download it, click on the download button here. The download will start. As you can see, the video has been downloaded. Now go back to the main screen again. That too completely free, just by giving a simple prompt. Now let's move to Imagen. Click on Imagen. Here you will see the AI image generator interface. You can see different options here, such as Meta AI, Imagen, Grok AI, etc. Here we select Imagen AI. Now here, its model is showing as Nano Banana Pro. There are other models available as well, such as Imagen 4, Nano Banana 2, etc. But we will select Nano Banana Pro because it is free and the best option. Now here, we can write our prompt. After that, we select the resolution. I am selecting 1:1 here. You can choose different ratios according to your preference. Now select the output format. We will select PNG. Next, select the resolution quality, for example, 1K. Here you also have the Select Image option. If you want to generate an image based on a reference image, you can upload it from here. Now we enter a simple prompt. A rose flower is blooming. Leave all the other settings as default. Now, click on Generate. Tick Verify you are human to verify. As soon as you verify, the image generation will start. If the image takes longer to generate, click on the 3 lines menu and go to History. Here you can see that our image has been generated. Click on it to check the quality. As you can see, a full HD realistic, and high-quality image has been created. Now to download it, click on the download button. Now let's go back to the main page. Here a new free tool is also available. With this tool, you can do voiceovers and convert any text into voice. But since today's video was about generating free images and videos, we will cover this tool in the next video. And as you can see, I still have the same 10 credits available. You can also use this tool unlimited times. Now we have come to our download folder. Here our images and videos are saved. As you can see, they are in full HD high-resolution quality, completely free and unlimited. Now, without using any paid tools, you can create such amazing HD images and videos. Take a look at this image. Now check out this video. It's a full HD high-resolution video with outstanding quality. And the best part is that this video also includes voice. There is no need to add voice separately.
Say goodbye to expensive AI tools. Now you can create amazing videos and images, completely free and unlimited with just one click.
If you want to create more advanced or cinematic videos, you can use ChatGPT. Here we open ChatGPT and give it a simple prompt. A small baby dinosaur is flying over a village. Convert this into a cinematic style prompt. Now we send it. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated a detailed cinematic prompt for us. Now we copy this prompt from here. Then we go back to our AI tool and paste it into the prompt section. And simply click on Generate. So we'll meet in the next video. Goodbye. For such amazing and interesting videos, please subscribe and follow the channel.